So India-Myanmar relations are being discussed here. Here, when we are looking this is the Bangladesh part, this is the Myanmar part, and Myanmar is sharing it with Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, etc. And usually, this boundary between India and Myanmar is treated as the watershed between Brahmaputra and Ayeyarwady, or we can take it as Irrawaddy. That is a main river in Myanmar. So here, watershed between those two rivers, this area, that is taken as the boundary. And when we are tracing through boundary, we can see Mizo Hills, that is, or Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland in Indian side, Chin Hills, Naga Hills, and Kachin State in Mizoram side. Now, this boundary was determined by a treaty, 1926 Treaty of Yundabu, and later by bilateral agreement in March 1967, everything was settled. And some relations with Myanmar is of great importance to India. First one is Situate Port. Situate Port means here is a port, port called Situate Port, and this was India wants to develop this port because here is a river, and that is Kaleda, and what we want to do is this, if due to some impasse, if this there is a national highway through this port, this is called chicken neck, and if it is if some problem occur there, that particular area will be blocked, then we are not able to connect to northeastern states. So what we are doing is, here there is a particular port called Situate, and through that port, then through a river, we are going to a particular place called Katawa. So after that, we will be making national highway or a highway up to our border. Then after that, we will be connecting that with the capital of Mizoram, Aizawl. So that's the first development here. Situate Port to Aizawl, we will be developing a multi-dimensional transport system. Now the second one is trilateral highway. That means from here, from our northeastern state, here we are making a highway through that's connecting Myanmar, Thailand, and so India, Myanmar, and Thailand are connected. That river that was extended to Vietnam and this country Cambodia. So now 5 countries are coming under this highway program. But the thing is to be not least, this highway program comes under a treaty called Ganga Mekong Agreement. Ganga is one of the major river in India, and Mekong is one of the major river passing through this Thailand, which later enters this Laos, then goes to Cambodia. So by name of those rivers, we call the relation as Ganga Mekong Agreement. Now we also, in order to develop our relations with Myanmar, we also developed a particular check post at Mort. And here, like we are having one in the Wagah border, we will be having a check post here. And then we are to develop a Mekong India corridor, that is this one. Here, what actually happened is, when India is trying to connect with a particular country called Thailand, here it is the Thailand. So when we are connecting, it will be something like this. That means we have to go to Strait of Malacca, and it is very difficult to get into this to travel through Strait of Malacca. So what we want to do is, we want to connect this Thailand, such as from Chennai to this Myanmar. We will be making a corridor, and that is called India Mekong corridor, and then we will be connecting to Thailand. So that is another particular thing or particular major development that have developed between these two countries. So strategically, Myanmar is one of our important allies, one of our important neighboring countries, since there are so many strategic points of Sittaway Airport. Then there is a trilateral highway. Then we are trying to connect to Thailand through Myanmar. So by India Mekong corridor. So strategically, relationship with Myanmar is of importance to us. It's about India-Myanmar relation. Thank you.